In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to add client notes and tasks in SuiteDash for better organization, so stick around until the end to learn a few things that could transform the way you manage your clients. SuiteDash is a great tool for businesses looking to streamline client management, but let's dive into how you can use it to stay more organized. First, let's talk about how to add client notes. It's a simple process, but it's essential to ensure you're keeping all important information on file. Once you're logged into SuiteDash, head over to your client's profile page. From there, you'll see a section called Notes. Click on the button to add a note, and you'll be able to type in all the relevant details. Whether it's feedback from a meeting, client preferences, or specific instructions, this area is perfect for keeping track of everything in one place. Next thing, tasks. Tasks are a game changer for keeping track of what needs to be done and when. To add a task, go to the Tasks section under the client's profile and click on Add Task. You can assign it a title, set due dates, and even mark it as high priority if it's time sensitive. Once the task is created, it'll show up on your dashboard so you can stay on top of deadlines. The third thing is linking tasks to client notes. This is where things get powerful. If you're working on a project or client request, you can link specific tasks to the notes you've added earlier. For instance, if your client mentioned meeting a report by a certain date in the note, you can easily create a task based on that note and set a deadline. This keeps everything connected and prevents anything from slipping through the cracks. Now, let's talk about task management. SuiteDash offers features like recurring tasks, notifications, and task delegation. These features are especially useful if you're managing a team and want to keep everyone aligned. You can set tasks to repeat, send reminders, and even assign tasks to team members. However, it's important to note that some of these features are only available in higher tier plans, which can be a bit pricey for smaller teams. Moving forward, SuiteDash does offer integrations, but they're somewhat limited compared to other project management tools. While you can integrate with Google Calendar, QuickBooks, and a few others, it doesn't have the extensive integrations that you might find with other platforms. This can be a bit frustrating if you're looking to connect SuiteDash with a wide range of tools in your business workflow. Finally, while SuiteDash does offer a comprehensive set of features, if you're looking for more flexibility and scalability, you might find other platforms more suited to your needs. The complexity of some SuiteDash functions, like the task management system and client note section, can be overwhelming for smaller businesses or those new to using project management software. But before you make any decisions, let's talk alternatives. We've got a special deal for you today. Through the link in the description, you can access an exclusive extended free trial of SuiteDash, which will give you plenty of time to explore everything it has to offer. However, if you're after a platform that may offer more ease of use and integration options, we've also added some amazing alternatives that could better suit your goals, plus they offer their own free trials too. So, whether you're sticking with SuiteDash or exploring other options, click the link below to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.